guys, welcome to another episode. We're just on our way to the Wentworth Valley Campground, which is near Whangamata. And we're going to go to a meetup with the Quirky Campers.
Quirky Campers are some unique camper vans.
So we're just at the Quirky Campers meetup in the Wentworth Valley. A lot of people with their DIY vans, and some of them are for hire. The first van we're going to look at is Cliff, and he's for hire. It's a really neat beachy theme going on here.
So you've got two max air fans that will keep the well ventilated, and the bench seats will come down to be the bed.
Yeah, so if you want to rent this van, it's available on Quirky Campers. I think it's booked over the summer though, so you'd have to get in quick. Imagine this very Instagrammable van. And this here's Coddy Wample. We've been following him on Instagram for a while. Such a neat van.
It's a rather unique paint job on this van. It's a resin paint. That's one that they use for painting bridges. It's the first time it's been used on a van, and it's all hand painted with a roller.
Comes with a neat dog too called Bean. We'll show you him later. Bathroom in here. Yep. Big bed.
Quite a big high bed.
Oh, the herbs like our van. Cool.
And this is what I like as well, storage jars underneath.
Guys, if you want to follow Coddy Wample, they're on Instagram, and they come with a really neat dog. That's the famous Bean I was telling you about. He's all over Instagram. The owners are nice too.
Other van available on Quirky Campers. It's nice bright yellow.
Barbara is her name.
Good job you know the name. You see, the thing that I pick up about it, what I like, it's got a bottle opener. Got the cooker here, sink in the corner. Fridge here.
Good place for the fridge if you're sitting outside or inside. You can grab your beer wherever you're sitting.
And I can see underneath that seat there, porta potty.
And this van here is the true meaning of quirky. This is Brendan. Come and meet Brendan.
Well, the guy that built this was an arborist, and he actually felled the tree that produced the wood. It's got a neat drying rack.
Behind this door here is the bathroom. And knock knock. So both Brendan and Barbara here are available for rent. Have a look on the Quirky Campers website. We're very excited to come across these guys. We've been following them on YouTube, and they've decked out their VW Crafter van, and they've got a YouTube series on it, and they're going to tell you a bit about their van.
Hello, I'm Megan, and this is Daryl.
Hello.
And yeah, we're the Peterson Odyssey. This is our van. We think the van might be called Penny or Penelope. There's like an Odyssey, Odysseus, Penny, Penelope thing. Because I used to be a classics teacher, it connects for me, but maybe not for anyone else. But I found naming the van harder than naming the baby, who was now 24. So his name has stuck. But yeah, come in and have a look around. This is our floor-to-ceiling pantry, and we have something similar in our house. Like when you're designing, you build how you want. But what I love is that everything can come out, and then we've got so much storage for food. And then at the moment, this is just where our practical stuff, like washing stuff and towels and things, and then all the way down in one latch.
I'll put a link to these guys' YouTube channel in the description below. Go and check it out. So this van here, 2005 Transit like ours, but it's the jumbo version, extended wheelbase, and she's called Annie the Tranny. So come and have a look. like to come camping in the Wentworth Valley, it's not that far from Whangamata, and it's a great walk up to the waterfall. We've got a video on that. I'll put a link down below.
Or above.
And we hope you've enjoyed having a look around the Quirky Campers, all the self-built campers. And until next time, stay safe.
Be happy.
And have fun.